I am accusing Marcos of bringing us back to the old politics. Gayon nung suspend, tapos tanggal na tao, no, ng tatay ko, halos ganun ang ginawa nila. If that is what he is doing now, I am accusing him of another thing, being an authoritarian leader. Alam mo, we are drifting into that kind of setup, which I think, to me, is very important for the President to realize it. Mr. President, hindi mo na sinusunod yung demokrasya. And you are, yung pag ganun na style, you are veering towards a more authoritarian. Mahirap yan, hindi sanali ang Pilipino. I am just warning you. Ako sa isa talaga na hindi ako papayag. Na kung magtanong ka na what I intend to do, I will raise hell one day, and I would ask the military and the police to join me. Not to force you out of the office. We'll just air our sentiment for you not to forget that the Philippines is a democratic state. Tanggalin mo ang tao ng rason. And you must remember that the governor of North Davao has been elected by the people. Hindi yan trabahante na in-appoint mo tapos tanggalin mo. We have to respect the will of the people of that North Davao. Puro respeto naman.
Samantala, ayon naman kay Congressman Pantaleon Alvarez, nilabag ni dating Chief Justice at ngayon Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin ang batas nang pirmahan nito ang direktibang nag-uutos na bakantehin na ni Hubahib ang kanyang posisyon.
Kahit walang basihan, binigyan ng order of suspension si Governor Edwin Hubahib. Nung makita ko yung order, sabi ko, I was disappointed. Why? Because the order was signed by a former Chief Justice, itong si Bersamin. Sabi ko, former Chief Justice ito, dapat he should be the one to respect yung due process and equal protection of the law. Malinaw sa ligang batas yan, di ba? No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law.